Hi sa mga beshi! So, it's a hair glow update with Korean hair spa experience that we tried here in All About You Salon. So, worth it nga ba? Well, tara let's and join us as we indulge to our self-care namin ito moment. Step 1 for our Korean hair spa treatment is the hair and scalp assessment. Una, i-check muna ng stylist ang condition ng hair and scalp mo and they will give you their suggestion of the best treatment for you. They actually do have 3 types of packages but we avail the premium Korean hair spa treatment. And this hair spa treatment has the pre and post scalp check. So, makikita mo na agad kung ano yung magiging difference right after your hair spa experience. Diba? Bongga? At ito na nga ang kwento ng scalp ko before the Korean hair spa. So yan na nga ang flaky, scaly things na yan. Well, it's not dandruff, mga beshies ha. That only means na dry yung iyong scalp. That is the dryness level, ika nga. And it's not actually visible in your naked eye. And you can see pink to red spots on my scalp kasi ibig sabihin lang yan, napaka-sensitive ng iyong beshi. Este yung scalp ng beshi ninyo. And now, here's the step 2, the hair and scalp preparation. And yan na nga, may pa-special hairspray si Ateng. Habang ako, ay chumichika pa din. After the wisik-wisik comes the himas-himas. So ayan na nga, no, sinusupply habang minamassage ang aking scalp with their special machine. Naku, dito pa lang, talagang iba na talaga ang feeling ko at napapapikit-pikit pa talaga ako mga beshi. And then, here comes the red light. Well, hindi talaga magpapatinag ang inyong beshi. At tanong ng tanong kay Ateng kung para saan nga to. At ang sabi niya, it will enhance nga daw nga ang blood flow ng ating scalp and it enhances the absorption ng winisik-wisik niyang special spray kanina. O di ba bongga? And after all the ceremonias, tara pasukin na natin ang syala-syalang lugar kung saan where all the magic will happen here in All About You Salon. And here comes step 3, the gentle shampoo and cleanse. Yes, mga beshi, it's banlaw time. So they will apply a special shampoo para maalis lahat ng dumi, oil at product build-up dyan sa buhok mo. By the way, this blissful experience will take 60 to 75 minutes. So that means you have this much time to actually enjoy and just relax mga beshi kasi you deserve this. And here comes for me mga beshi is the star of the show. The step 4, the relaxing scalp massage. This is indeed my favorite part of the Korean hair spa treatment here in All About You Salon because they will not only focus on the scalp or on your head. They actually go extra mile to give you a soothing and relaxing experience. Akala ko hair and scalp lang ang aalagaan. Well, akala ko lang pala yon. Pero pati leeg, balikat, braso, hanggang sa likod. Lakas maka-VIP treatment, mga beshi. Well, di pa tayo tapos mga beshi. Step 5 is the steam treatment. So, may steam process para mas ma-absorb ng hair natin ang nutrients, making it extra smooth and shiny. Wait, there's more. So, while you're having your steam treatment, syempre kakopikoy na ni ate ang blissful experience kasi imamassage na rin niya ang hands and arms mo. Trivia tayo mga beshi, this Korean hair spa steam treatment aims to deeply cleanse your scalp, remove the impurities, and improve your scalp and hair overall health. And it increases actually the absorption of the personalized Kanpeki treatment na included sa hair spa package na kinuha namin. Honestly, I lost track of time and I cannot tell kung how many minutes nga ba itong steam treatment na to kasi mukhang nakatulog ako mga beshi. After this super relaxing phase ng hair spa treatment na to, dito talaga ako pinaka-excited. Kumbaga, this is the most exciting part, which is the hydrotherapy. And this is the step 6 of our Korean hair spa treatment. So, I can still remember yung feeling of the warm, flowing water massaging my scalp. Actually, mga beshi, literal na hair and soul therapy indeed. I must say, this is the moment na lahat ng stress mo nilunod na dito sa tubig. To complete the Korean hair spa experience here, well, now we're down to step 7, the hair dry and the post-hair checkup. So after the treatment, hindi ka basta uuwi dahil may final check pa para ma-sure mo na perfect ang buhok mo from roots to tips. It's for you to judge mga beshi kasi napansin niyo naman na wala yung scaly and flaky, plus nawala din yung redness or yung sensitivity ng aking scalp right after the treatment. My verdict, hair feels healthier, shinier, and lakas maka-Korean character feel lang ng Korean hair spa treatment here in All About You Salon. It's a must try and I can say that this will be the benchmark of all the Korean hair spa treatment that I will try for the next sharing. Kaya bye-bye na for now and nag-enjoy kaming apat sa aming special treat for ourselves. Bye-bye till the next sharing mga beshi. God bless and have a great day!